Hello friends, I am Lani Hutchinson. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Before we start, don't forget to like this video because that gives me the motivation to keep making such content. And do subscribe to my channel if you're into skincare, makeup, jewelry, crystals, playing cards, traveling, Xiaojian or Wang Yiwu. So let's start. Today we are going to review Innisfree Mineral Twinkle Base. It has both Korean and English instructions mentioned, which is beneficial for us international customers. It claims to moisturize, glow boosting water ampule type primer. It includes micro pearl for shine, hyaluronic acid and propolis extract for smooth skin. It comes in a shimmery pink plastic pump body and a matte black cap packaging. I love the bling and this packaging is truly eye-catching for me. Its texture is like any silicone-based primer that is gel-like and full of pearl particles. It has a faint smell as a perfumed soap that isn't overpowering, thank God. Also, it spreads easily. Innisfree Twinkle Base Primer feels indeed moisturizing and is easy to spread. Those shimmer particles are shimmering and giving my skin a glowy look. It takes a couple of minutes to completely absorb into the skin, so for my first impressions, I can say that it blurs the skin, adds shine or glow, and moisturizes it well. It has a sticky finish, but it is not too sticky. You can say that it's medium sticky, which is good enough to let the foundation last longer. So that's how my skin looks before applying the primer. I have enlarged pores, dry skin type and aging skin concerns. Let's see how this will perform on my skin. I'm going to use Innisfree's foundation brush to blend this because it is quite famous in South Korea. As I'm blending the primer, it feels like a layer of silicone filling my imperfections and blurring it along with moisturizing my skin. It has sunk into my skin within seconds. I haven't fast forwarded the video or anything so you guys can see how easily it became one with my skin. Now I'm taking more for my eyes. I'm using it as an eye primer as well to test its efficacy to full. With fingers, it is taking more time to blend than the brush. It has blurred my skin and my wrinkles look tad bit smoother but nothing drastic. So firstly, I will only cover my dark circles and do eye makeup. I won't be using any foundation on my skin to see how this product performs without foundation. Also, you are supposed to apply this primer after your skincare and sun care as it creates a barrier between the skin and the next product we apply. So none of the products penetrate the skin deeply after this primer. That is why it should be applied at the very last of skincare and as the first step of makeup. You can see that my cheeks are getting red as it's summer and I don't need any blush. Anyways, apart from that, my skin looks beautiful and even the shimmer shadows stuck to my eyes without any dramatic fall off. The colors look vibrant on my eyes and my skin looks even, blur and smooth. My skin has a beautiful sheen and glow. I love the results so far. So, I have applied blush and did a little nose contouring, eyebrows and tint, and that's how my skin looks. Even after 5 hours, my skin looks beautiful and fresh. It still feels like it is glowing from within. The shine isn't crazy, but feels very subtle at this point. My skin still looks blur, my makeup still looks good, so as a base itself, it is a wonderful product and I will give it a 5 by 5 for that. Now let's see how it will perform as a primer under a foundation. I am applying primer after my skincare and sun care as usual, so I am applying it with my fingers now. It's like thick lotion that is lightweight and blends easily. I like how hydrating this primer is without being oily. I have been using this primer for a year now, and one thing that I honestly liked about this primer is that it leaves a pearlescent sheen on the skin instead of making me look like a disco ball. There isn't any glitter in it. Innisfree Mineral Twinkle Base is looking good on my yellow toned skin, isn't it? I love how plump it makes my skin after the application. It's like a soft base for makeup. My foundation looks indeed beautiful and natural. It was easier than usual to blend this Moonshot foundation. It doesn't make the foundation look cakey or thick. My pores don't look visible at all. I'm so in love with this thing. This primer made my skin a smooth canvas. The foundation was not only easy to apply, but it looked stunning as well. So, after 4 hours, my foundation still looks fresh. My skin looks glowing from within, just like glass skin. I have been using this primer for a few months now, and I assure you that it does not clog pores at all. I haven't had any irritations or breakouts ever since I have been using it. I will rate Innisfree Twinkle Base a 5 by 5 as a primer under foundation too. I will recommend this primer to everyone who wants to achieve perfect and smooth skin with or without foundation. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to ask below as I reply to every comment. Bye bye.